Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for some Halloween decorations which can be hung inside but also outside, this video is for you. So what we have here are three different spider egg sack style Halloween decorations, and they're pretty cool. So the first thing is they're about 2 feet long. They come without the spiders on them, but they have these little glue dots, and the number of spiders that go on this is a pretty good amount. There are 57 of the larger size, and then there are 24 of the smaller size. And just go on. You just take these. They come with these little double-sided type, two-sided tape, little glue dots, and they stick them on there, and they just stick on. And this is sort of like I would say the closest thing to this would be sort of like a pantyhose type style material, and then this is like a white foam ball. They are set up with, they have white hooks for hanging. Then they have these weather protecting cases that allow you to put two AA batteries inside. And then there are three settings. There is a timer setting, there's a regular on setting, and then there's a off setting. The timer setting, once it's turned on, will run for about 6 hours and then turn off for 18 hours and kind of just keep looping. So right when it gets to be about dark, you would want to turn these on. It's going to run for 6 hours, then automatically turn off, and it'll just keep doing that for the duration of when you have your decorations up. What's really cool is that these are, since these are waterproof and these are totally encapsulated in this protective case, then they can be left outside and kind of like the elements of the weather, and little to no concern about weather kind of damaging these, which is really cool. These are very lightweight, and with this pantyhose type material, that's not what they are, but similar style. A recommendation just from my use would be not to put them like fully outside in, let's just say, the full blown weather and rain, even though the lighting effect won't be harmed in any way. But you may not want these to get completely saturated as far as this white material is concerned. It's made to do that, but I think just from a longevity and using year after year after year, just my personal recommendation. These are hung with a plastic clip and look pretty cool. The color of the lights is sort of a purple, white, definitely more on the slight purple scale. There's LEDs that kind of wrap the whole entire ball and kind of has sort of a spooky decorative look to it. This doesn't even have all the spiders on it. There's a whole bunch left to go, but wanted to kind of give an example of what a good bit of the spiders being attached to this would look like. Definitely very cool, and would complement any other additional decorations that might have sort of a spider type webbing theme to kind of make it look a little bit more spooky for the holiday seasons. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this. And full disclosure, this company did send this to me, said, Ryan, give us your honest review. Tell us what you think about our Halloween spider egg sack decorations. Very cool in summary. Definitely look forward to having these up and used for years to come. And we'll talk to you soon.